I've been asked to cut out a bunch of letters. They look like this. Now what I need to do is get some plywood, and I'm going to make stencils so that way I don't need to print a letter each time I need one. Let's get to it. Let's get to cutting. Got some boards, gonna join them, glue them up, cut them out. Let's get started. Gonna let these sit overnight. It's the next day. Now what needs to happen is I'm going to rip this down to thickness, resaw it, and I can get to cutting. I've been busy cutting out the letters, now I need to just sand them and file them smooth, and I could get going. Let's get to it. I finished cutting out the letters, now the project has came to an end. Goodbye.